Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Queen of Cups in reverse, Devil and Ten of Wands. So in your situation, Libras, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are making a lot of efforts, guys. You have a lot of responsibilities in your life today, maybe work responsibilities or in your relationship, and you have a vision for yourself or ideals that you follow, and you do things that particular way. And maybe for some of you, people around you may see you as someone doing things the hard way, doing things based on your ideals or belief, and it is something difficult for others to follow, guys. And you have a lot of burdens on your shoulders. You are someone maybe in an important work position and you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. That may be the reason for some stress or anxiety you are facing today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you don't know what to think or what to do, so some kind of circumstance limiting the way things are for you. Maybe because of your dependence on some kind of habits. So it may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. So they have some addictions bothering them, but they are trying hard, doing their best, trying to come out of this addiction, but it is really difficult for them and they do not see a way of coming out of this difficult situation. So their addictions are bothering you. You don't know how to help them, and that may be the reason you are seeing troubles in your relationship. You love this person, you respect them, there may be mutual love and respect, but still the addictions are coming in the way of this relationship, and they are trying hard to change themselves, but they are unable to do that, guys. And that may be the reason for some kind of arguments or some stressful situation in this relationship, guys, Libras. So they need your help, guys, and maybe they are asking too much. You have done everything possible, but it is simply impossible on your part to shoulder any more of their burdens. So they should do something on their own. That is what you feel today, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today guys. And also this card comes with the special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that, and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading guys for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.